Meet Notion, DIY smart security, protecting what matters most. Powered by a multifunctional smart sensor, Notion's system monitors your home or property. From unwanted visitors to sounding smoke alarms, freezing temperatures, water leaks, even if you left the garage door open, Notion has you covered, giving you smart notifications no matter where you are, so you can protect what you love and have peace of mind while doing it. Setup is easy and takes less than 15 minutes, and you can customize your system to fit your lifestyle. That extra peace of mind can go a long way. And if you're looking to expand the protection of your home or property, with Notion Pro 24/7 professional monitoring, you get push, text, and phone calls, so you can take action quickly. No professional installation, and you can cancel anytime. From break-ins to broken pipes, every moment matters. Notion Pro isn't just changing the way you protect your home or property, it's changing the way you manage potential emergency situations. Text and speak with live monitoring specialists, add managers so others can stay in the loop. Plus, insurance providers know the value of having extended protection. That's why most providers offer discounts for having smart monitoring and security. Notion, DIY smart security. Let us help protect your home or property wherever you are. Get Notion today.